friends in the Uber. It's Sunday morning and I'm so excited about this art workshop that I'm taking, and you're gonna come along. I have not taken an in-person workshop myself in several years, but this is my favorite way to learn and I thought it'd be fun to share the day with you. Let's go. We have arrived. So this is the studio where they're holding the workshop. Let's peek in. Looks like I'm the first one here, or one of the first ones. And I think I might actually go to the back, but I am so looking forward to this. Sorry, I know I'm a little early. And I'm recording, I hope that's okay. So beautiful. So Marisa's studio is this. She shares it. I'll get some more information. But wow.
Helen and Carolyn. I wrote to you about it, but I met Helen years ago when we were blogging. Remember those days online? And she graciously agreed to be on my early podcast, and then we sort of struck up a friendship and met in person and imagined this idea of coming to LA to do a retreat. I'm like, we don't need to do a retreat, we could just do it for a day. Carolyn can come too, and here we are.
Sometimes you think it's like really bad, but then you gotta persevere. So that's just something you can learn on the journey. Painting exactly what you see all the time. It's you're not letting anything else work. You know, it's just painting what you see. But if you let your mind and your creative soul, if you let that input come in, join the two together, you're going to create magic. I honestly believe that.
Now it's our turn. Scary. We're camera twinsies.
Yeah.
We're gonna live, we're gonna live, we're gonna live forever. We're gonna live, we're gonna live, we're gonna live forever. Live forever. Live forever. We're gonna live forever. We're gonna live.
Sometimes I like to leave a little bit of lightness to the thing and then go back and maybe use the dark stuff to make the little lines on top of it to add the details later on.
We're gonna live.
just so happy from the wonderful day. It was so inspiring, and I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below how you approach creativity and getting to in-person workshops, or what you love about making art. I would love to know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to check out Helen and Carolyn's art. It is so inspiring and amazing, and I hope you enjoyed our little field trip. It's Sunday night, and I shouldn't be in the studio, but I am. I'm so excited to show you more painting things and creativity and fun. I hope you feel inspired to keep those creative juices flowing.